Getting around Mapsa during peak hours can be quite daunting, but that will certainly not stop us from exploring some of the many cafes and restaurants this area has to offer. Good morning guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Gavin.
And I'm Adrian.
Alright, so we are in a very crowded area of Mapsa and this is what you have taken. So this is the chana masala. The last time we had this in Panjim, it was very nice. So chana masala, and Adrian wanted to have something sweet, so she has taken sheera. And this is samosa, and this is the batata bhaji, this is tomato bhaji, this is katre pav, and this is the naram pav. Okay, so let's try this with the naram pav. It's cold, you know, if it was warm it would have been better, but that's fine. Yeah, it's a bit hard, but let's try the taste. For me, to be honest, the chana masala is tasting a little bland. Chickpeas are cooked well, but you know the gravy is tasting a bit bland. Yeah, the chickpeas are like puffy, but yeah, the taste is okay, not very good. Let's try the tomato bhaji. Tomato bhaji is like, you know, more on the sweet side. Again, to be honest, I'm disappointed with the start. Now, let's go for the batata bhaji. This is good. It's really nice. I think Adrian, we should have taken only the tomato bhaji, but that's okay. Yeah. So this is one of those very rare reviews where things can go wrong. We found this place from Google. We were in the area, and that's why we decided to shoot a vlog here. Awesome. Now let's have the samosa. So as you can see here, the samosas in Goa, the coating outside is very thin. It's not like a Punjabi samosa. And look at the chutney. It was looking very watery, so I had to stir it. Let's mix this well in the chutney. Samosa is another one that has saved the day today. So yeah, we rarely come across such scenarios because we always view the reviews and go to places. But yeah, samosa and this batata bhaji is good. Now let's try the sheera. Yeah, sheera is very good as well. So if you are in the Mapsa area and if you are looking for breakfast, if you are coming here, you can definitely try the sheera, samosa and the batata bhaji. These two things found it very average, to be honest. And by the way, we started shooting, I did not even tell you, we are at this place called MS Corner Cafe, and we will tag a link in the description. So I don't know if you really enjoyed watching the video, but yeah, since we are here, we wanted to shoot. Some people may be doubting, you know, whether we get good places all the time or not. But yes, we do not get very good places all the time. Sometimes there are disappointments as well. So this was like a 50-50 place. 50% of what we ate was okay, 50% was good. What a disappointing day it was. She doesn't even want to talk about it. Well, yes, this was one of those days. Like I said, you know, 50% of the things that we got were good, 50% were bad. But if you're in the area and if you want to have breakfast, I would highly recommend you skip this place, go a little ahead, go to this place called Rakhumai and Krishnai. We've created videos there. You can have a look at the video. I mean, the quality of those places is light years ahead of these guys.
Anyway, until the next one, take care, stay safe and stay positive.